Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Hacker007, and in today's video I'll be attempting something a bit crazy. I'll be trying to open as many Windows Explorer as I possibly can, and it might be a bit dangerous if I overuse my RAM. Currently I have 8 GB of RAM, 7.86 gigs usable, and I'll be using Task Manager to keep track of the number of windows which I have opened. So as you can see, my CPU 2.983 gigahertz. I have 7.9 gigabytes of memory. It's not a bad PC, but it's not the best either. So I'm going to be attempting to open as many Windows Explorer as I can. Let's see how that goes. And I'll be using the shortcut to open them. I'll be using Windows and E, or Windows plus E, to open these tabs. So let's go. Okay, so we've currently opened 10. Let's look at this. 3.7 out of 7.9 gigabytes used. So let's keep going.
I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man run around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
As you can see, my mouse cursor is starting to spin like crazy because it's trying to load the previous Explorers or display what the system drives. So let's see where we're at. Hold on. I can't even get access to down here. Let me see. So we're currently at 94 tabs opened. As you can see, Task Manager is starting to respond very strange to this. Let's see the performance. We're at 4 gigs out of 7.9, so let's keep going.
Is that bloody work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man run around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
I hope you guys are enjoying this, because if this crashes my PC, I'm gonna need a new one, and the only way to do so is by supporting my channel. So please ensure you watch the entire video and comment and subscribe down below. Well, at this stage, my cursor is moving a bit on the fritz. Starting to respond very slow. Well, I'll just give it some time to catch. Oh. So, by my guess, I've opened around 130 tabs, and then it automatically closed all of them due to the fact that I was running so low on RAM, which is quite a cool feature. So that is what would happen if you should open 100 plus tabs of Windows Explorer. So if you guys found this video interesting, please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment down below. It will be appreciated. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Hacker007 out.